Hi, this is Jill from Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. I have an experiment I would like you to try, and here it is. Experiment with being done over perfection. So done is better than perfect. Good enough is good enough. What if you let go of perfection? Can you do it? I think you can do it. And I would be so proud of you if you let go of perfection just for this experiment. And then I want you to notice, first of all, how amazing it feels because you've gotten something done and it's good enough. Then I want you to notice, did anything horrible, awful happen because you did not get it done perfectly? Were there any consequences? Probably not. Probably not. And if they were, maybe it's minor. But if you keep striving for perfection, what are the consequences? The consequences may be never starting, not organizing anything, not completing a project. So there's some major consequences for striving for perfection. And I know it's hard to let go of perfection. It's really hard. You see all these wonderfully organized, perfectly organized places on Pinterest, but you got to let that go. That's usually stylized. They're, making it look good for the photo, and it's not real life. So let me know how it goes for you. I would love to hear from you. You can email me, contact me off my website, call me, whatever it may be. Until next time, thank you for joining me again. This is Jill from Simply Organized.